Hello everybody, welcome to the first episode of Color House Basics. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make Color House stabs like these. These stabs consist of three main layers: the base layer, the color, and the extra chord layer. The base layer is made up of two basses, a subby bass and a side bass. The subby bass starts out in serum, with an 808 type distortion bass with a big transient which is sent through Saturn for extra harmonics and distortion. Then it goes through dirt to add more grunge, and is finished off with an EQ to balance everything out. The side bass also starts in serum, but with a much warmer sound due to the saw wavetables and the cutoff filter automation. It is then low cut to avoid phasing with the sub bass, and routed through bite for extra noise. Finally, it is topped off with a Saturn for more distortion, and an EQ to balance it out. Combined, these two basses make a great foundation for our stabs. The color part of the stab brings most of the character into the sound, so any changes here will affect the entire feel of the stabs. The color layer starts off in serum again, which is playing a pretty complex impact or transient. This impact is then routed through a convolution reverb, which is using a chord as its impulse. You can be creative here and use any sample with any chord sound, as long as it gives your layer a nice resonant but harmonic feel. Then it is placed nicely in our stereo field with an imager and sent through, I don't know. A disperser can be used to add a lasery component to the transient. After that, it goes through two instances of Saturn for added harmonics and saturation. Finally, to control the sound, it is routed through an EQ and a compressor, which reduces the high frequencies in the transients. Altogether, the color layer should sound something like this. The chords layer purpose is to blend the bass and the color layers together and fill out any lacking frequencies. In this case, the chords consist of two basic serum patches, one of which is playing a nice saw chord stack, and the other one a bell sound to add a nice acoustic touch to the stabs. That was it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.